Hello friends, welcome to JB classes. Today our topic is coding decoding continuation. So today we are going to see an important model, that is mixed coding. So far in coding decoding we have made 9 videos total. For different models, different videos. For every one model we have made one video. So in the first video we have covered all the introduction part and for different models for different competitive exams. In the second video we started with the first model, letter or word coding with the same letters. In the next video, third video, letter or word coding with different letters. In the fourth video, number coding. Okay. In the fifth video, substitution method. In the sixth video, uh, as it is coding without any conditions. In the seventh video, as it is coding with conditions. And in the eighth video, we have made it for binary coding, I think. And in the ninth video is made for matrix coding. Okay. So till now we have made 9 videos on coding decoding, and today this is 10th model, and it is a very important one, that is mixed coding. And for a clerk paper, this is a regular question in banking for 5 marks. Even in PO also he will give this question for 5 marks, preferably for clerk paper. So in the mixed coding only, we have new pattern questions. So that I will take in the next class. So new pattern questions will be given in the PO exams, and old pattern questions will be given in the clerk paper. Okay, clerk exams. Right, we'll start the model. Yeah, see. So mixed coding, first example. In a certain code language, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars is written as or means POS, PTS, JNE, ZNL. Okay. So how to take the codes? First one, second one, third one, right? Respective codes for respective words, right? No, that model is already over, right? So which model? That is as it is coding, but this is not as it is coding, this is mixed coding. All these codes are for these words only. All these 4 codes are for these 4 words only, but not in the same order. They are in the mixed order. Okay. So if they are presented in the same order, what is our duty? So here our duty is to find which code for which word. Okay. Which code for which word. Right. So tell me, by taking only one sentence, by taking only first statement, can you find the code for Mercury? Don't think about second, third, fourth statements. Okay. So by taking only first statement, can you find the code for Mercury? No sir, we cannot find the code for Mercury. Compulsory you have to give the answer. If I force you to give the answer compulsory, means you can give the answer like this. So code for Mercury can be POS or PTS or JNE or ZNL, right? Because so for this possible codes are these 4. So it can be any one of these 4. Then what is the code for Venus from only first statement? So this is also same, POS or PTE or JNE or ZNL. So for Earth also the same, for Mars also the same. So with only one statement, it is impossible, it is not possible to find only one code. We can give the possible codes, but we cannot give the confirmed code. So that's why we have to take the different statement combinations. Okay, so along with the first statement, if you take the second statement, yeah, then some common words are there in first and second statements. What is a common word? Mercury is common. So corresponding to this common word, there will be a common code in the first 2 statements. What is the common code in the first 2 statements? ZNL. So ZNL is the code for Mercury. So this is the way to solve this type of questions, mixed coding questions. Okay. Overall, the way to solve these questions is common words to common codes, and uncommon words to uncommon codes. Okay, so based on common words we need to find common codes, and based on uncommon words we need to find uncommon codes. Right. Next, one more important point here. Many students, immediate after seeing this type of questions, many students will do one mistake. What is that mistake is? First they will process the given data. First they will do some research on the given data. Okay, so after finding all the codes for every word, this is the code for this word, this is the code for this word, this is the code. After finding all the codes, they will get into the questions. Sometimes he may not give this question for 5 marks. He may give for 1 or 2 questions. So in that case, if you find all the codes, what is the use? That's a waste of time, right? So for only one question or for only 2 questions, processing all the information is time waste. So don't need, even the 5 marks, even the question is given for 5 marks also, no need to process the complete data. Okay, so just go to the question. Immediate after observing this type of question, no need to process any data, directly come to the question. Okay, what is required in the question? Mass. So just it is enough to find the code for mass. Why to find all the codes? Okay, right, see, Mars. Mars, first observation. Mars is a common word or uncommon word? Mars is a common word. Common in which statements? Yeah, Mars is common in first and fourth statements. So based on 1 and 4, what are the common words on the right hand side? So in first and fourth statements, only Mars is common, or any other words are common? Yeah, there is another word, that is Earth. So means corresponding to these two codes, there will be corresponding to these two words, there will be 2 codes common. So by seeing a first and fourth statement, what are the codes common? Yes, POS is common. POS is common, or JNE is also common. JNE is also common. Okay. So means what can be the code for mass? Either POS or JNE. Either POS or JNE. So if you see the third statement, there is one code like a JNE. Okay, JNE is there in the third statement, but there is no Mars on the left hand side. So then we can confirm JNE cannot be the code for Mars. So then what will be the code for Mars? POS. So then answer is POS. Okay, and one more thing here. So Mars is already processed, and we find the code for Mars is POS. Along with Mars, now we find the code for Earth also. Earth code is JNE. So it is better to keep this data for further questions. Okay, it will reduce some time. Okay. Yeah, see the next question. Second question. What is the code for Saturn and Neptune? So Saturn and Neptune both are available in single statement. Saturn and Neptune both are not available in single statement. Okay. So then we need to find the codes for both of them separately. So if they are available in a single statement, we can find the codes for them. Both the codes we can find simultaneously. Okay. So here from the statements 2 and 4, what is the code for Saturn? In 2 and 4, only Saturn is common, or any other words are common? Yeah, Uranus also common. Means corresponding to these 2 words, there will be 2 codes common. So try to process 2 and 4. What are the common codes? 2 and 4 common codes are OFS and TND. OFS and TND. So means from only statements 2 and 4, we can say the code for Saturn is either OFS or TND. Okay. Then coming to the next statement, that is the third statement, there is a code like a TND, but there is no word like a Saturn on the left hand side. So TND we can cancel TND. So OFS is the code for Saturn. So with this word, go to the options. Go to the options. So OFS is not there in any other statement other than option E, and there is no option like none of these, right? So if there is none of these, we have to check we have to find the code for Neptune also, because there is no option like none of these, and there is no option with the OFS, right? That's why we can confirm the answer as option E. Okay. Suppose some persons may find the code for Neptune first. After finding the code for Neptune first, so we'll get three options then. So compulsory we need to find the code for Saturn also. But luckily we find the code for Saturn. So with that one code, we can confirm the answer here according to these options. Okay. Yeah. See the next question. What is the code PTS stands for? PTS stands for. So PTS is a common code or uncommon code? PTS, it is there in the first statement. Okay. Anywhere? PTS is not there anywhere. So means it is an uncommon code. So we need to find uncommon word on the left hand side. So Mercury, it is there in the second statement. Means it cannot be the word. Venus, it is there in the, yeah, it is not there anywhere. Okay. Earth, it is there in the third statement and last statement. So it cannot be the word. Mars, it is there in the last statement. It cannot be the word. Then answer is Venus. So corresponding to PTS, the word is Venus. So answer is option B. So this much simple if you process in this way. Yeah, see the next next question. Which of the following is the which of the following represent the code for JNE, TND and OTS? Sir, all the three available in a single statement anywhere. So JNE, TND, JNE, TND, JNE, TND and OTS. Yes, all the three are available in this statement. Okay, third statement. So just by finding the code for ELM, we can confirm the words for these three. Okay. So now what is the code for ELM? Tell me, ELM is a common word or uncommon word? Common code or uncommon code? Uncommon, and it is not there anywhere. So that's why, except three. So here we need to find the word which is there in only third statement. Neptune. Yeah, it is not there anywhere. Okay. Earth, it is there in the last statement. Uranus, it is there in the last statement. Jupiter, it is there in the second statement. So Neptune is the code for ELM. So except this Neptune, remaining three are the codes for remaining three codes. Remaining three are the words for remaining three codes. So here Earth, Uranus and Jupiter is the answer. Earth, Uranus and Jupiter is not there in the order, right? So here see, don't forget this one. It's a mixed coding. So we had given the data in a mixed form. So we can answer them in the mixed form only. So these three words should be there. These three words should be there. They may be in an order. They may not be in the same order. Okay. So where it is available, Jupiter, Uranus and Earth, then answer is option C. So don't go for option none of these because they are not given in the order. Okay, order is not mandatory here. So order can be in any way, but the three words should be there. Right, we'll see the next question. Yes. It is also used. Okay. What is the code for moon earth? What is the code for moon earth? Sir, where is moon? Yeah, moon is not there anywhere. So maybe something is given which is wrongly, right? Wrong question, right? No sir, it is not a wrong question. The intention behind this type of question is, I have given a new word, so you should find a new code, you should get a new code in the given options. Okay, so here the hint is, for new word, for new word, search for a new code, search for a new code. Sometimes it will be, it can be in the reverse order also. If any new code is in the given in the question, we have to search for a new word in the given options. Okay, so if any new word is given, we have to search for a new code. So this is a new word which is not there in the given set of words, so we have to search for a new code which is not there in the given set of codes. So POS, it is there in the which statement, first statement. JNE also there, so it cannot be the answer. JNE is available, but KLM, yeah, it's a new code, it can be the answer. KLM, it's a new code, can be the answer. L and Z is also new code, can be the answer. Means based on moon code, new code, we got three options. Compulsory we need to find the code for earth also. But remember, earth is already processed in the previous question only. Okay, so if you don't remember, we'll process it again, no problem. Earth is there in first, third and fourth statement. In the first, third and fourth statement, only the word common is JNE. So along with the JNE, along with the JNE, there should be a new code. So JNE with a new code, then answer is option B. Okay, so don't forget this one. If any new word is given, search for a new code, and vice versa. Right? So let us take a separate question. Yes, see. In a certain code language, plot for all persons is written as FNBODLSW. So whatever may be the data. So here given some note point C. All codes are two-letter words, two-letter codes only. So sometimes there will be some DTP mistakes. Like this statement can be given as a GAYC MP, sorry, MPZH. Sometimes this type of mistakes will happen. That's why he has mentioned all the codes are two-letter codes only. Okay, say. Directly go to the question. Out. Out is a common word or uncommon word? Uncommon word. Common, and it is there in which statement? Statement 1, 2, 3, 4. Which statement? 3 and 4. Only out is common, or any other words are common? So only out is common. So corresponding to these two, there will be one code common. See, what is that one code? Yeah, in the third and fourth statement, the common code is MP. So answer is MP is the code for out. Clear? Right. Next question. See, along with the four statements we have 1, 2, 3, 4. He had given one more statement. This one. But remember, these four codes are, sorry, these four statements are common data. These four statements are common data, and this fifth statement is the particular data, and this is particularly belong to the question number 2. Don't use this information in question number 3, 4 and 1. Okay, so this is the particular data and this is the common data. Common data, we can use it for all the questions. Okay, right. Yeah, here the question is, how will the word, sorry, what is the code for key, lock and sorry, key and lock, key and lock. So search for any statement having all the three words in it, all the three words available in a single statement. No sir, lock is there in the fourth statement, key is there in the new statement, and is there in the third statement. That's all. And if you observe, lock is an uncommon word, and is an uncommon word, and key is also an uncommon word. So uncommon words, uncommon codes, use that one. Yes, and is an uncommon word and it is there in third statement only. So find the code which is there in only third statement. GA, it is there in the second statement, means it cannot be the code for and. YC, YC, it is there in the fifth statement, it cannot be the code for and. MP, it is there in the third last statement, it cannot be the code for and. So ZH is the code for and. ZH. Next, lock. Lock is the uncommon word here, fourth statement. Search for an uncommon code. NU, it is there in the fifth statement, it cannot be the code. MP cannot be the code. FN, it is there in the first statement, it cannot be the code. Then RV, RV is the code for lock. Then find code for key. Key, NU cannot be the code for key because it is there in the second statement, that's why cancel. KA, yeah, it is not there anywhere. Okay, YC, YC, it is there in the third statement, so it cannot be the code. Then KA is the code for key. So these are the three codes for these three words. Okay, they may be in the same order or may not be in the same order. KA, ZH, RV. KA, ZH, RV, they are given in the order, also given in the same. That's all, that is the answer. Yeah, see the next question. What is the code for find friend? Find friend. Both find and friends are available in single statement. So if you see, only find is there in the third statement and it is an uncommon word. Okay, no, it is a common word, common in second and third statement. Okay, and friends is a new word. Friends is a new word means we have to search for a new code in the given options. Okay, so first we will find the code for find. Find is common in second and third. What is the common code in second and third statements? GA. Okay, only GA is common or any other words are common? Only GA is common, that's all. So code for find is GA. Along with GA there should be a new code. Along with GA there should be a new code. So GA, okay, but BO, it is not a new code, cancel. GA, okay, CL, yeah, CL is a new code, yeah, it can be the answer and it is the only answer, right? Because GA, FN is not a new code, cancel. In this GA is not there, in this GA is not there. GA is compulsory, mandatory. Along with GA, a new code is required. So according to these options, CL is the new code. Okay, right. Next is we'll change the color blue. Okay, which of the following stands for the code SW? Yes, SW is a common code or uncommon code? Yes, uncommon, and it is there in only the first statement. So try to find the code for, try to find the word which is there in only first statement. Plot, it is there in the second statement, so it cannot be the word. For, it is there in the last statement, so it cannot be the word. All, yeah, it is not there anywhere, so that's why it can be the answer. Persons, yeah, persons is also not there anywhere, so means so these are the two possible words for this code. So means from the given data, with the given data we can tell the answer as, for SW either all or persons are the corresponding words. So according to these options, either person or all, then answer is option B. Okay, So this model is very important, and many students will confuse with the options. See all the types of options for the same question SW, if these are the options. Okay, so here options are all persons, next lock out, none of this. What is the answer? Yes, so here the answer is, yeah, none of these. Don't commit to any one. Don't commit to any one. Okay, next to see if the options are if the options are all, out, lock, for, none of this. Now which option? Yes. So many students will give the answer as all. Okay, which is the wrong answer, because none of these is the answer. None of these is the answer, because remember, all is not 100% answer. It's a 50% answer. Okay, actually your answer is either person or all, right? So means out of 100% probability, person is having 50% probability and all is having 50% probability. Together it is 100%. Means alone it is not 100%. Alone it is 50% only. So we have a provision. We have a chance. So that's why answer should be none of these. Okay. Next, one more type of options. See, if the options are like um, all, person, next lock, data inadequate, none of this. Now what is your option? Yes, here also many students will give the answer as none of these, because our answer is not there, right? No, remember, our answer is not a uh, our answer is not a single answer. We have possible answers again, right? Either person or all is a possible answer. It is not a confirm answer or definite answer. So to find the definite answer, is the data sufficient? No, sir. We need some more data to confirm the answer. So either person or all is the possibility. So to confirm any one between these two, we need some more data. Means here our problem is data insufficient or data inadequate. Okay. Next to see, if the options are like all, next some out, next for, can't be determined, none of this, then what is your option? Okay, so here also many students will give the answer as none of these. No sir, it is not none of these, it is can't be determined. Okay, can't be determined, because the data is not sufficient, we cannot determine. If you provide some more data, we can determine. Okay, so this is our problem actually. Okay, next to see one more type of options. So there are these many types of options are there. So here problem solving is not a problem. Answering the question according to the options is the problem. See the options. If the options are like all, persons, data inadequate, can't be determined, and none of this. Now tell the answer. Yeah, here the answer is data inadequate. Data inadequate. Okay. If there is no option like data inadequate, then we can go with the option can't be determined, because data is not sufficient, we cannot determine. If that is also not there in the options, then we can go with the option like none of these. Sir, if none of these also not there in the options, okay, see that type of options also. See here, if the options are like all, out, lock, and try. If this is the case, then yes, here our answer is all only. Sir, you already mentioned it's a 50% answer. Yes, here examiner is trying to uh, here examiner is pushing ourselves to take the option like option A only, because even though it's a 50% answer, we don't have a choice. We don't have a choice to select the option. So that's why according to these options it is the answer. According to these options it is the answer. That's why, that's all. But it is not the 100% answer. Actually, if we give this type of options, we can say this is question incorrect. But in banking, he is not taking, he is not considering this as incorrect question. So he is expecting the answer according to the given option, given options. Okay. After all the points, after all the types of options are taken, I'll give the order. Okay. See one more type of options. So here all, one option is either all or persons. Next option is data inadequate. Next option is none of these, and next option is can't be determined. Okay. See, listen carefully. So according to these options, our answer is either all or person, because it's a 100% solution, right? All is 50% and person is 50%. Together we have 100% in the options. So that's why answer is option B. If option B is not there, so in place of option B, any word other than the answer, any word is given, then we can go with the option data inadequate. So if that is also not there in the options, then we can go with the can't be determined. If that is also not there, none of these. And if that is also not there, whatever given in the options, we can take that one. Any one which is given. Okay. So anytime when you are answering a question according to the options, if your answer is either or, and you are going to answer that question according to the options, follow this order. Okay, follow this priority order. So first priority is you have to give for either or answer. So what is your actual answer? Is that available in the options or not? Check that one. If either or answer is not there in the option, then go for the option like data insufficient or data inadequate. If that is also not there in the option, then go for option like can't be determined. And if that is also not there in the options, then go for none of these. And sometimes there will be none of these, like this option set. Okay, in that case you can go with the option whatever given, anyone which is given in the options, anyone which is given. So remember this one, try to make a note of this. So this priority order is not only for this type of questions. Anytime in quantitative aptitude or in reasoning, anytime you have an answer like either or, and you are going to answer that question according to the options, follow this priority order. Okay, right. We'll say take the next question. Yeah, see. What is the code for hidden plot? For hidden plot. So for hidden plot, all the three statements are available in single statement. No, sir. But two words are there in second statement. See, statement 1, 2, 3, 4. Hidden and plot both are available in a single statement, and for is there in first statement. Okay. First, we will try to find the code for for. For is the common word or uncommon word? Yeah, common, and it is common in which statement? The first and fourth statement. So what is the code that is common in first and fourth statement? Yes, fn. Yes, fn is the code for fn. So how many options are there with fn? Fn, almost all the options. So we can eliminate these two. Okay, next to see. Code for hidden and plot. Hidden and plot. See, hidden and plot both are common words or uncommon words. Hidden is an uncommon word, okay, but plot is a common word. It is there in the first statement also. Okay, first we will find the code for hidden. DL cannot be the code for hidden. ET can be the code. GA cannot be the code. NU cannot be the code. Then ET is the code for hidden. ET. And lastly, plot. First and second statements, what is the common code? In first and second statements, DL is common, so DL is the code for plot. Which option then? FN, DL, FN, ET, DL. Then answer is option A. Okay. Right. Yeah. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed it, please subscribe to this channel. If you like the video, press the like button. If you have any doubts in this section or in any topic or any section, you can write it in the comment section. Okay. And if you like the video, please share this to as many as you can, so that they can make use of it. And lastly, don't forget to press bell icon for latest topic updates. Thank you.